Hello dear students, welcome back to our session. So yesterday we have discussed about arc corresponding to chord, what are congruent arc, how it is related to central angle and chord, etc. Correct? First one, what about congruent arc we have discussed was when the arcs are congruent or when the arcs measurement are same, they become congruent to each other. Then we saw about chord. What happens if the arc is congruent to each other, so their corresponding chords also become congruent to each other. These are the two important things which we have studied. Now today we shall begin with the practice set 17.2. So here first one you can see what is given, a figure is there, circle where two diameters are there. Which are the diameters? You can see PQ and RS, and what is given, they are perpendicular to each other. That means how much is the degree? They are 90 degree here. Now students tell me, if this angle here it is 90 degree, what will be the angle over here? It will also be 90 degree as they are perpendicular to each other, and we know in angles in linear pair, if this is 90 then 180 minus 90 is 90, isn't it? So this will also be 90 degree. Similarly, if this is 90, this will also be 90 degree, correct? And if this is 90, same happens here also, it will be 90 degree. Okay, and the center here is C, is the center. Now what is asked in the question, why arc PS and arc SQ are congruent, we have to state. Now what will be the measurement of this arc? Whatever is the measurement of this angle, same will be the measurement of arc. So if angle is 90 degree here, RCS, so RS, sorry, here it is P. So PS is also 90 degree, correct? We have seen this yesterday. Then if this angle is 90, the arc is also 90. If this angle is 90 degree, here also it is same, arc is also 90 degree and PR is also 90 degree. Okay. Now what are we supposed to see here? We have to tell that this arc PS is congruent to arc SQ. You can see both are same measurement. If measures of angles are same, that arc will also be same. If arc measurement is same, then we can tell that they are congruent. So what we can say here, this arc and this arc is congruent to each other. So we have to write some steps here. So which is perpendicular? Diameter PQ is perpendicular to diameter RS. Okay. So we can say as they are perpendicular to each other, we can tell that angle PCX, this angle is equal to angle SCQ is equal to angle QCR is equal to angle RCP. All measurement is 90 degree as they are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now angle PCS is equal to which arc? PS. So RPS is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. Let's keep this as number 1. Angle SCQ is equal to which arc? RSQ is equal to how much degree? 90. Let's put it as number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we can say? RPS is equal to RSQ. What is the reason we can tell that they are congruent? Because they are having same measurement. So further we can write, therefore RPS is congruent to RSQ. Now what reason we are going to give here? Measures of both are same, so they are come in the bracket. First part of the question is done. Now write the other arc which are congruent to arc PS. You have written as arc PCS is congruent to SCQ is congruent to QCR is equal to RCP. So you can say that RS everywhere it is 90 degree. So which are the other? This is already written that arc PS is congruent to SQ, which is remaining now QR and RP. So write down RPS is congruent to R, QR is congruent to R, RP. Okay, so this was about the first question. Now comes to the second question. What is given in the second question, students? Now same thing almost, but here there is a measurement. We have to check what is a measurement. Let's see what is the question all about. In the adjoining figure, with the figure which you can see in your textbook, page number 118. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle whose diameter is MN. Measure of some central angles are given in the figure, hence find the following. What are we supposed to find here? Angle AOB, because measurement is not given there, and angle COD. Second, show that arc AB is congruent to arc CD. Show that chord AB is congruent to CD. Okay, so let's see what we have to do here. Now students, MN given as the diameter of that circle, correct? You can see that MN, this is the diameter of that circle. Whenever a diameter is drawn, what does the diameter do to the circle? It divides the circle into two equal parts, and that part of that circle is nothing but what? Okay, the diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, so it becomes what? It becomes a semicircle which looks exactly like your protractor. Your protractor which you have is a semicircular shape. Now students, if you observe your protractor, what is the maximum degree it is having? It is 180 degree, isn't it? None of the student will be having a protractor less than 180 degree or more than 180 degree. So what does the sum of the measures of a semicircle is? Nothing but 180 degree. Now in this semicircle, we can take the first half here. Okay, only this part. So you can take from the semicircle 180 degree, 100 goes to here, 35 goes to here. So total 135 is gone. How much is remaining? 180 minus 135. So whatever answer you get will be for this angle. Same applies for here also. Here it is 100, here it is 35. So half of this, now it is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 100 plus 35, you will get answer for this. Now as the measurement is same, the answer you will get is also same. So how to solve here? First you have to write down segment MN is the diameter of the circle. Therefore, NAM and NCM are the semicircles. You can write there some of the measures of all angles of semicircle is 180 degree. Okay. Now we have to see for NAM. Okay. In semicircle NAM. Okay. Which are the angles formed? 1, 2, 3 all together. So we will name the angle MOA plus angle AOB plus angle BON is equal to 180. MOA given as 100 AOB we have to find out, plus BON is 35 is equal to 180. So 135 plus angle AOB is equal to 180. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 135, that gives you 45 degree. We got the angle AOB. We have to find COD also. So we can write similarly in semicircle NCM. Which are the angles in that? Angle MOC plus angle COD plus angle BON is equal to 180. 100 plus angle COD plus 35 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle COD is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So this is the solution for question number 1 under main question 2. So we have found out angle AOB and angle COD. Now students, what is asked? So we got the angles over here. How much? 45 degree. Here also 45 degree. Now they have asked us show that arc AB is congruent to arc CD. That means this arc is congruent to this arc. To tell them we are congruent, what measurement we need? We need how much is the measurement of arc. So what will be the measurement of arc over here? So you can see if angle is 45, that arc will also be having 45 degree. If this angle is 45, this will also be 45 degree. Correct? So if this both are having same measurement, so we can tell that they are congruent. So let's write measure angle AOB. This is solution for second one under question number 2. Measure angle AOB is equal to RA. That is equal to 45 degree. Measure angle COD is equal to, which is arc of that, CD. And what will be the answer? 45 degree. This can be 1, this can be 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we can say that arc AB is equal to, why equal to? Because both are 45 degree, 45 degree. Therefore, arc AB is congruent to arc CD. What reason you will write? Measure of two arcs are same, so they are congruent. Okay. Therefore, we can tell that they are congruent to each other. Now, third one is remaining. What is being asked in that? Third one, show that chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Now, you can see students, the angle is same, so the arc is also same. So, what about the corresponding chord of that congruent arc? That will also be same. So, this chord and this chord is same. So, you can write down chord AB is congruent to chord CD. We have to write the reason. What will be the reason? Corresponding chords of congruent arc. We have seen in question number 2 that arc are congruent because having same measurement. corresponding chords of congruent are congruent. So this is the solution for question number 2. Students, with this we have finished our portion for the examination, annual examination. Our 8th standard mathematics syllabus has come to an end here. So my part is done. Now it's your responsibility. You have to study, you have to prepare for your examination. For that I am going to do revision from the next week onwards. Okay, so do watch the video and try to understand, and what is the old videos which I have already sent long back, so you will get an idea how the sums are solved and you can easily achieve good marks in your examination. Okay, and please practice more problems, and during the revision also few of the questions, how the questions can be asked in the examination, all type of problems I will be solving. Okay, so we shall stop it here. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.